All right, so today we are going to Sevnica. We are renting a car, and I'll show you the car real quick. So we got the car through this car sharing app called Avant2Go. It's an electric vehicle. I've never driven electric. It is automatic, which I have to have, because in the States, no one really drives with, how do you call it? Manual. No one drives with manual in the States. So I don't know how. I'm going to learn, because in Slovenia, they know how. But yeah, so we're leaving today. We packed our suitcase and we're going.
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face.
Hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks, see ya. All right, so we just got to Sevnica, and we are at Hotel Ida. We just got our yoha, which is soup, and we got the beef soup. So you can see it here. It has like beef, carrots, noodles, and then it's just beef broth. So. But yeah, so it's gonna be good. I'll show you all the dishes, and then we're gonna explore the town a little bit, and then we'll go up to the castle Grad Sevnica. Dobry tek. Dobry tek. All right, so we just got our main course and our salad here. It's like an egg salad with balsamic and tomatoes, lettuce, egg, and it looks like cabbage maybe. And then we have the main dish. It's the pork, the roasted veggies and the potatoes, the strukli, traditional strukli. This is like the cheese one. And then this is I guess a fried chicken wrap thing, and it has cheese in the middle. But it looks really good. So yeah, excited. The soup was amazing. Oh, there's a red light on it, so I know. All right, so I am at, what's this place called? Slăcișana Julia. And they have the Melania Trump cake, the First Lady cake. You can see it here. Okay, so the cake has almonds, hazelnut, and Belgian white chocolate. That's what it's made of. And then it has like this airy mousse. So it's like a kind of this fluffy cake, as you can see. I'm gonna taste it. Or test it, I should say. I'm gonna test it in a second, and you'll get a better understanding of how I think it tastes. So anyways, the Melania cake. It's pretty good. I mean, it tastes exactly like the flavors are described. So the white chocolate is really creamy. It's really good, and then also I love hazelnut, and so that's also really nice and sweet. It's not like too almondy. I'm not huge on almonds, but I do like hazelnut, and so yeah, cheers. Someone bought me a coffee. I don't know who it was, but thank you so much for buying me a coffee. Via my link below, buy me a coffee. We are currently in Sevnica, or I'm sorry, Sevnica. We're currently in Sevnica, which is about an hour, 15 minutes from Ljubljana. And we came by car, smooth ride, it had navigation, Bluetooth, the whole works. But yeah, here we are. And here, is the cappuccino. Yeah. No, come back in. All right, we are in Sevnica, the home of Melania Trump, the former First Lady and the wife of Donald Trump, and soon to be the 47th President of the United States. And she, again, will be the First Lady of the United States. So Sevnica is located on the Sava River. That serves as like the main mode of shipment, obviously, for the region and for the city. Sevnica is in southern Slovenia, closer to the Croatian border. I'll show you here on the map. It's about an hour and 15 minutes outside of Ljubljana. The town was first recorded in the year 1275, and it was known by the German name Lichtenwalde. Is that how you say it? The municipality of Sevnica is the 12th largest in all of Slovenia, with around 17,500 people. The city itself has 5,000 inhabitants. Settlement of Sevnica dates back to the year 3000 BC, between 3000 and 1200 BC during the Bronze Age. So it's quite an old city and establishment. In the 1st century BC, it was actually occupied by the Romans. So it's also a Roman territory, or it was a Roman territory. Much like the rest of Slovenia, it was also under the Habsburg Empire. In the 16th and 17th century, Sevnica was invaded by the Ottomans, leading to the fortification of the town. You can also see here behind me the river and a little bit of the town. It is quite a nice view. We're up here right at sunset, and so we are getting, I guess, the best of the city. And in just a second, I'll be at the edge and I'll show you. So in the 19th century, Sevnica had a railroad built which connected it to Ljubljana and to Zagreb, which allowed the city to grow even more with its transportation and exports. And look at the city here behind me. It's a small, quaint city, but it's so nice. The first mention of the castle was in the year 1220, and it belonged to a noble family of the region. In the 16th and 17th century, the castle underwent major renovations. The castle, Sevnica Castle, was built to fortify the city, as I mentioned, from the Ottomans. And throughout the generations, it's continued to pass from noble family to noble family. Yeah, and that's all I got. So we just walked into the courtyard, as you can see, of the castle. And we went to our right immediately, and there's this door, and we walked in, and there's local artists in there selling like ceramic work and paintings and drawings. And they gave us some free cucco. So we're about to enjoy that, and maybe we'll sneak into the castle here. I think we have to find the admission ticket office to get a ticket, but hopefully we can get one and scoot through here real quick. But anyways, super nice. You can see the cucco. It's how do you say red? Redice. We have the Redice vino, which is the red wine. So anyways, cheers. What's it called? Avant to go? Is it Sava? It's about an hour and 15 minutes. The top, Lichtenwalde. It was occupied